Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is on an unstoppable collision course with our nearest galactic neighbor, Andromeda. And this isn't some far-off, hypothetical event. We're talking about a cosmic dance already in motion, locked in by gravity. This isn't just a close call or a flyby. In about 4.5 billion years, these two colossal spiral galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars, will crash into each other and completely merge. They will become one single, giant, elliptical supergalaxy, a cosmic behemoth unlike anything we see today. But it gets crazier. You might imagine billions of stars smashing into each other, creating an explosive fireworks display of unimaginable scale. But that's not what will happen. Space is so incredibly vast and empty that the individual stars in our galaxy and Andromeda are hundreds of thousands of times further apart than their own actual sizes. It's highly unlikely that any two stars will directly collide. Instead, they'll mostly just pass by each other, like ghosts drifting through an incredibly sparse cosmic ocean. Here's the part nobody talks about. While the stars might avoid direct impact, the supermassive black holes at the very centers of both galaxies will eventually meet. Sagittarius A** in the Milky Way and Andromeda's even larger, central black hole, will perform an epic gravitational dance for millions of years, slowly spiraling inwards. Eventually, they will merge into one unimaginably monstrous supermassive black hole, consuming everything in their path. That's a collision on a scale that truly defies comprehension. And it gets even more mind-bending. Our own solar system won't be spared from this galactic chaos. The immense gravitational forces during the merger could violently fling our sun and planets into a completely new, vastly different orbit, potentially much further from the galactic center, or even worse, eject us entirely into the cold, dark emptiness of intergalactic space. Imagine seeing our sun become a rogue star, adrift forever in the cosmic void, without a galaxy to call home. The final, merged galaxy will be a completely different shape, likely transforming from two spirals into one colossal, fuzzy elliptical galaxy, and it already has a name, Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. And for anyone alive at that incomprehensibly distant future, our night sky would be utterly unrecognizable. The familiar band of the Milky Way would be gone, replaced by a chaotic, brilliant sprawl of billions of new stars, nebulae, and constellations born from the galactic chaos. The Milky Way as we know it will be gone forever, a casualty of a cosmic merger. Subscribe for more facts that will blow your mind.